Now this blind girl is making green bean and chicken casserole for dinner. And I have my chicken thighs that are cut up into small pieces. Recipe calls for it to be cut into strips, but I like it better into small pieces. And to that, I'm going to be adding, I opened the bag upside down, but I'm going to be adding herb stuffing seasoned. And I'm going to be adding cream of chicken soup. I think I got it all out of there. And then I'm adding, this is a quarter cup of melted butter. And this is milk. And the last ingredient, I have 2 cans. I did yellow and green of green beans. And I'm going to trip over this stupid mat. Now I'm going to mix all of this together. Actually, I think I'm going to add some seasoning to this because I don't think it's going to have enough flavor. Hold that thought. I'm going to add the cowboy butter to it. I tried to use this the other day and I didn't put enough on. I really didn't get a chance to taste it. I think that'll have some good flavor in here, so I'm going to sprinkle some in here. Hopefully I put enough in this time, and I'm going to give that another mix. This will be going into the oven at 350 for 45 minutes. Not yet, though. I made it ahead of time because I'm trying to do these cookie baking, and I just wanted to have it ready to pop in the oven when it was time closer, a little bit closer to dinner. So here is that green bean and chicken casserole. Just came out of the oven, and I'm going to let it sit for 10 minutes before I dish everybody up. Everybody have a good night. Make sure that you like and share and follow and comment.